My CNC experience started from 2021 in Ebonyi State.
I also like to share my experience with the last CLASFON, that is 2022, last year.
I attended CLASFON National Conference last year in Nasarawa State.
I've been a delegate of the CLASFON National Conference for 2 times now. I was at Calabar and I was also at Ebonyi.
One unique thing about CLASFON is CNC, our national convention.
Simply mind-blowing. It was a very memorable experience. It surpassed my expectations by far.
It was a wholesome experience, right? From the arrival to the departure. We never wanted to leave Ebonyi.
Because it's usually a wonderful time in the presence of God, and where you feel God's presence move so mightily, and you're in the presence of other law students who are also Christians.
I had contact with different Christian law students all across Nigeria from different universities. I had contact also with the Holy Spirit, because that is very imperative, very important.
And one thing that literally gives me goosebumps is when we sing the CLASFON anthem. My God, I have a bigger family, an army of God, who God is raising even in the legal profession.
Man, it's mind-blowing. It's something you don't want to miss. It's magnificent. It's marvelous. You're going to have a beautiful time.
Yes, definitely. The food as well. Kefi really tried. Kefi really tried.
And there will be time for picnic, there will be time for tour around Ile-Ife.
There were academic sessions, beautiful stuff. There was a debate round, there were quiz rounds, there was a grand dinner. I mean, I was able to network with students from all over the nation.
You don't want to miss OAU CNC 2023.
CLASFON National Conference 2023 is here as well in Ile-Ife. I will be there no matter what. You should too.
You know the way we anticipate Christmas, right? Because we want to see our extended family. CNC is a time for us to see our extended family members in CLASFON. So,
see you, CLASFON National Conference 2023.
What I'm waiting for. Go ready, sir.